points in the first half. How did you adjust your strategies come the second half that eventually created separation?
We were playing at our pace. I felt that if we're able to weather the storm, yung shooting nila masyadong maganda. They were making their threes, they were making even their fours. On ISOs, they were making their shots. Sabi ko lang, we were playing the pace that we wanted. Maybe in the fourth quarter, we'll be able to get a break. And true enough, we played better defense in the second half, especially in the fourth quarter. So, ano lang namin, nalampasan lang namin yung torrid shooting percentage nila. At ano lang, patience, keeping the pace quick, working hard off the board so we can get out in transition. So, sila Adrian put it on the second half. Pero in the first half, I think we stayed in the game because of si Kid Datu. So, kung dalawa lang, pwede lang dalawa yung best player, si Kid, pwede rin. So, ano to, it's a testimony to the patience of the guys and not folding up despite the torrid shooting of that one.
Thank you, Coach Yan. Adrian, nung nag-usap tayo bago ng laro, sabi mo wala ka pang nag-usap ng the room of this conference dahil sobrang nakukulangan ka sa depensa mo. Pero ngayon, paano mo ba nakita na gumanda yung depensa mo at paano rin ito natulungan na kunin yung rhythm mo ulit sa opensa?
Ayun na, sabi na sa amin ni Coach nung mahal na binigyan ng mga peng. Ano yung depensa talaga kailangan namin gawin lang. Kasi hindi na namin kailangan mag-scheme pa. Yung kailangan namin gawin dun sa depensa. So yung saan namin sa depensa. Tapos yung offense, kung saan namin yung dumating din. Sa tulong din ng mga kasama ko. Pwede yung pinalabas.
Thank you, Adrian. We're now welcoming questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Salamat.
Coach, if that to kada yung game na tonight, how happy are you considering the last 2 years on and off siya dahil sa mga injuries niya and all of that?
Actually, galing din siya sa injury ngayon, no? But we were able to play in the last game. Medyo nung last game namin kalaban yung Converge, medyo hinabol lang namin talaga siya na mailaro siya kasi masyado malalaki yung mga Converge. Pero he was not really 100% that time. So the few days extra practice, extra workouts and therapy, I think did him well. I was watching out for him if he could play the minutes that I gave him. Binabantayan mo kung pagod na o kailangan kasi ano lang, no? We manage his minutes as well as he was playing. I wanted to play him a lot longer. Pero minanage ko pa rin yung minutes niya hanggang ulit.
Adrian, kumusta yung ano mo? Na-injured ka kanina and then bago yun, sa mga nagpalayo dun sa inyo?
Ano kami nag-trans na. Tapos yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, sa ano din, sa tulong din ng mga kasama ko yung pagkaribaw namin, talagang yung runouts namin, nakakapag-convert kami doon. So yun, kaya nanalo ako.
Even pwede sa mga nagpipick up na after medyo slow start back. Hindi namin nakita yung usual na ginawa mo last conference. Ano ba ang nangyari dun sa slow start and paano mo na po yung rhythm mo?
Ako, pinanood ko yung mga games ko ng mga nakaraan. Talagang ano yung maganda yung depensa, talagang nag-ano na sa akin. So kailangan ko lang din mag-adjust na pag may umarap namin mas naging sa akin. So yun, only you take, kailangan ko pag-adjust din ako. Kasi yung depensa lagi na nandun sa akin.
Nakaka-adjust ka na.
Pakalo naman.
Coach, dapat ang next game mo, dapat TNT on 14, kaso diba nagbago yung schedule, it will be Magnolia, soon na yung TNT. So your thoughts on that, yung scheduling?
Gusto ko sana na na makapaglaro agad no, kasi tingin ko maganda yung condition namin. Pero okay rin na bumaba yung rest namin. We are taking an 11-day rest, I think. Mahaba masyado. But we will use that to rest and recover. Especially yung mga pits namin, yung Cebu, hindi pa talaga 100%. Well, si Keith nga, I'm surprised actually, sobrang ganda ng laro niya, pero akala ko medyo hinahabol pa niya yung conditioning niya. Galing nga siya sa injury din. Kailan nag-tax spasms, but he was really a big help today on both ends, offense and defense. So when we got our bigs back, nung naibalik namin yung mga bigs namin, pati si Gabe, medyo nakakatakbo na kami. Kasi hindi ka talaga makakatakbo kung hindi ka makarebound. Doon sa Converge, hindi kami makatakbo dahil 2 tao sa kanila katumbas ng isang team namin sa rebound. 39 rebounds si Arana at si Balti. Yung buong team namin, 40 rebounds na. So kahit gusto mong tumakbo, hindi ka makatakbo dahil wala kang rebound. So I think that played a lot into the result of the game. So naging leksyon sa amin yun. Hindi naman sa nagbibigay kaming excuse, masyado kaming maliit kung kalaban namin yung Converge. Pero ngayon nga, naibalik na yung mga bigs namin, medyo mas malaki na. So, kailangan namin talaga pag-usayan pa kung rebound. Nakatulong din si Adrian sa rebound. Kaya kahit na mga buwagya, kailangan namin yung rebound.
Coach, good evening. Coach, 7 players finishing in double digits. Kung pa kay Felix Clemente, 8 points and shooting 50% from the field. How do you like your distribution lang in terms of offense?
Yun naman talaga ang ideal sa amin. No? We try to design the burden to be distributed among all the players. Hahanapin lang namin kung sino yung merong magandang nilalaro ng araw na yun. So kanina nag-umpisa kay Keith, tapos si Mamu maganda, si Kaylan maganda, tapos kung second half sila Adrian naman. So hinahanap namin kung sino, hindi naman namin yan ilalagay sa balikat ng 1 o 2 tao lang. So we try to even out the responsibilities.
Coach, maganda rin siguro pabangon yung panalo going to your game against Magnolia.
Yun yung pinag-usapan namin kanina, bago tayo magbakasyon, sana panalo, tapos may time tayo mag-prepare para sa leading team na yun, yung Magnolia. So malaking bagay yun para naka-recover ka na, may time ka pa na mag-prepare. So gagamitin namin sa